Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
At this point, there is what we know, there is what we don't know, and there is the truth. I think the person who's straightforward and whose intentions are not blurry is Umangwabe. And then there's Umayeni, who knows everything that has happened, but chooses to not say anything. And there is what we know about Makhumalo, and there is the truth about her. And there is the truth about why Makele agreed to be in this situation and how she really feels about it. And I don't think we know all the truths. At this point, there is so much we don't know that could uncover why things are happening the way that they are. Not disregarding that Ubaba Mseleku is not a nice person to his wives, but something happened there by the 90s, the early 2000s. Something happened, a very big one, before Mayeni, and the reason why Mayeni came back, and when Makhumalo came in. I don't think Mangwabe has anything to hide, really. His story is straightforward, the way that it's portrayed and the way that it is. Even Mayeni's story is straightforward, but there are things that she knows. It's not only about her, and she's choosing to mind her own business. I'm frustrated.
Wait, guys, aningixoxeleni siqeda kubukani manje. Today's episode of Uthando Nethembu was a lot. And truly speaking was very, very unnecessary. So unnecessary. In as much as yazi nje uthi ungathuthela kangakanani kunezinto okungamele uyikhulume. Kunezinto umele wazi ukuthi kune-platform umele ukhulume kuzo, kune-platform ongamele ukhulume kuzo. Le ibekade ukhuluma umacele namhlanje kumele ngabe ikhulunywe off camera because now senisifake shiqi ey'ndabeni zasemzumbe ngempela. Asisenawo uwo wokuthi what is for TV and what is not for TV. Which now goes to show ukuthi sometimes these things are not scripted, because she was pissed. Because was pissed. Bethuthele and bezimnetha. Bezimnetha namhlanje uMseleku. Yabo ngoba uMayeni shilo last week ukuthi ungalali babundabe. Ziyakhala. Sazoshuba. Exactly that. Azimshubele zimkhalele. Zimkhalele beziku loudspeaker shem. One, she's talking about ukuthi uMakhumalo was pregnant, Dado. Then it begs to ask the question ukuthi iblewu ngani. All right. Two, athi yena noMakhumalo, they were close, and she was right about that. But what she said was not she wasn't referring to her. She was talking about herself, knowing very well ukuthi Makhumalo can't have kids. How can you say that? How can you talk about that to another woman, knowing very well that that is the case, and you are close, and at that time benithandana? Was kahle ukuthi kuzoba isilonda kuyena. That's not nice, right? And then you are uzophinde futhi uthi ukuthi uma khona sizenzini enkulu in nani. That's not it. Bese 3, indaba ye-IVF. Athi several times ukuthi nithola umuntu obade ezomithela uMakhumalo. Umayeni noMangwabe bebazi ngalokho izinto ezazenzeka eMzumbe, kodwa yena ukhetha ukuthula ngazo. Yini ukhetha ukukhuluma ngazo manje? Yini ukhetha ukukhuluma ngazo on this platform? Personally, I would have been like, no, this is not the time or place to talk about this. No, not in front of cameras. No. Wenze kahle futhi ubaba Mselo akangaphika akangayivuma leyo nto ngoba wow. Kodwa uyivumile in a sense. Eyivumela phela yena umamkhulu ukuthi yabo. But anyway, ngcono siphume lapho. Sibuyele kuMayeni. I love her sister Bandla. I love her sister. I love the support structure yakhe because they're able to tell her out or to call her out and be like, phela buya nganeno. Yebo tukuthele. Say understand that yes, you hurt and everything, but there's nothing you can do about it right now. I genuinely feel like it's okay to forgive and ukudlulisa for the sake of sanity, for the sake of the kids as well. And it's okay to also forgive without receiving the apology that you might have wanted. Just ukuthi impilo iqhubeke, yabo. Ngoba manje izinto zimbi and ngazathi uyahluleka ukuyi-addressa. But funny enough, I find that not true because uMayeni unayo indlela yoku-address izinto and be calm about it. Same way that she did last time or last week. Kwi-retreat ukuthi akwazi ukumtshela ukuthi okay, njengamanje sabona ukuthi amaphaphu akho aphezulu, sabona ngazathi ucikile, maybe you should just calm down. If you're able to talk like that, yes, maybe you're able to talk to him like that too. Even though yena ezokhuphuka and whatever, but when uhlale yabo, you maybe get your point across. But I genuinely feel like she's so hurt and she's speaking from a point of hurt. And that ends up clouding her judgment. That ends up clouding her, I guess I can say, thinking yakhe. Yabo. I also don't find it appropriate for her to have said ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe wayeka ukuba nezingane after uMpumelelo, because now the kids are here. And if they were to hear that, it wouldn't sit well. I know it wouldn't sit well for me if my mother were to say she should have stopped, because it kind of feels like she regrets having me, just because my dad wasn't doing right. Yabo. I don't think she should have said that. I don't think she should even think about that, because the kids are now here and you have to live with it, But yeah, it is what it is.
At this point, Umacele has left many of us hanging because we have so many questions and no answers. Because everyone is now asking themselves, Umakhumalo have got a child. And where is the child? What happened? We all want to know, we all want to find out what really happened, okay? And I also saw this other post on social media. It's actually trending. It seems like it's someone who personally knows Umakhumalo, and he was also testifying, begging Umacele, which Umacele akahlanye, like she's okay, she knows what she's talking about. Umakhumalo guys, it's a lot. He said a lot of things, guys, which has left so many of us like shocked. Guy, what are you trying to say? Guys, you know what, ne? Uthando Nesithembu season 9 has left all of us shocked, and I don't even know how to explain the feeling because we're just stuck in this cage, thinking, questioning, but no answers. There is no answers, even though some of the people are actually calling back Umacele to say, you know what, ne, there is actually places to say other things, especially as a first wife. And I'm 100% sure Umayeni Nai, she knows about this whole gender, but she decided to keep quiet because it's none of her business. It is really none of her business. And I don't know why Umacele is fighting so much. No Makumalo. I don't understand what's going on. Can someone just make everything make sense for me? Please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this whole situation that is happening between Umacele and Makumalo?